Sorry about that, we were in the middle of solving this problem. The phone rang and I couldn't stop it. So we moved our negative 2x over to the other side to keep everything positive. So we have 8 is less than or equal to. This now makes 10x plus 28. And we want to get the x's by themselves, so I'm going to subtract 28. We get 10x. And there's more negatives here, it's negative 20. And then divide by 10 on both sides to get the x by itself. We're just going to continue down here. And we have negative 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. But we can't graph this like this. We need to flip-flop it around. X, negative 2, and then flip our symbol. So on our number line, we should have negative 2. Negative 1 would be over here. Then we go to the positives. Negative 3 would be on this side. So we have a closed circle pointing to the right. When we flipped it around, this is the equation we're graphing. And our last problem. This one looks tricky because there's fractions, but it's really not that bad. I'm going to move our x's. Here we have negative 1/4 x. Here we have positive 3/4 x. We're going to move the negative over to the positive side. So I'm going to add 1/4 x. Add 1/4 x. So those eliminate, and we have negative 2, which is less than. Now we have 3/4 and 1/4, which makes 4/4. 4/4 is really just 1x, or x. So we just need that x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. We have x, or 1x. And then these are all negatives, same sign, add and keep. It's a negative 10. There we're good to go, except we got to graph it. So we got to flip-flop it around. X, negative 10, and our symbol flips as well. So open circle, because there's no equal to, all of our answers are just greater than negative 10, pointing to the right. Alright, I know that was a lot of work. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, your homework looks very similar to this. Remember, I showed you 2 ways to do the problems that have parentheses. You can either distribute or just divide by that number in front if that's the only thing you have. If the only thing you have to distribute, you can just divide